Welcome back to the Senior Care Day edition of Las Vegas Morning Blend. You may have heard of the term elder law, but what does it pertain to and what should you be aware of when you're entering your golden years? Let's long-term plan this morning with Kathy Clifford and elder law attorney Patrick Clifford of Clifford Senior Law. Good morning to you both. Welcome back to the show.
Thank you. Thanks for inviting us back.
Well, last time you were here, in fact, we were talking about the term elder law. We may see it on a billboard, we may hear it on television, but what truly does it mean?
Yeah, it's very broadly speaking, what it means is providing legal services and representation in areas of specific concern to seniors.
Okay.
But not all elder law attorneys practice in all of those areas, of course. And the thing we get a lot of is, you know, people hear the term elder law and they say, oh, that's estate planning, right? You do wills and trusts.
Yeah, and it's not, in fact.
It's part of what we do at Clifford Senior Law, of course. But if I could make a point about the main difference between an elder law attorney and an estate planning attorney, it's that an elder law attorney like Patrick is more concerned with the living needs of his clients instead of just what happens to your stuff after you're gone.
Oh, absolutely.
And one of the biggest needs facing too many of our seniors today is paying for long-term health care. So that's why we're here today to talk about long-term care planning.
Yes, and long-term care planning, we definitely hear that phrase. Let's talk about what that means.
Yeah, it's a lot about nursing home care.
Yeah.
And we all tell ourselves a couple lies about nursing homes, right? We say, I would never put my loved one in a nursing home.
Yeah.
Or, I won't need to go to a nursing home because if something happens, I'll move in with my kids or my sister and they'll take care of me.
Okay.
Unfortunately, when the need arises, it's never a choice because there's no substitute for 24-hour skilled nursing care.
I was going to say, or maybe it is the best choice because there are medical needs.
Exactly.
Okay, interesting.
Exactly. And it, depending on what study you read, somewhere between 30 and 50% of us are going to need nursing home care in our lifetime.
Really?
Yes.
Wow.
And the average stay in a nursing home is 2.5 years, which you can double that average stay if the primary diagnosis is Alzheimer's or dementia related.
Okay.
And the cost of a nursing home in the state of Nevada, the average cost, well over $7,000 a month.
Great. All right. And so I was going to say there's a price tag behind this. And
Yes.
so does Medicare cover a nursing home? How does this work?
Well,
Patrick?
you know, that is a common misperception among many people, and as a result, they don't adequately plan for their long-term care. The fact is, Medicare does not pay for nursing homes. The most that Medicare will pay for is 100 days of rehabilitation after a hospital stay. And if you still need skilled nursing after that, well, Medicare is not going to cover it.
Oh my goodness, wow. I tell you, it only takes being in that situation with yourself or a loved one, and you find out these realities really quick.
Yes, you do.
But by working with you folks, you can plan ahead, right? So when that situation comes up, you're ready. You have something called the 4 Pillars of Peace of Mind at Clifford Law. Tell me what that is, Patrick.
Well, when we talked about this the last time we were on the show, and the 4 Pillars of Peace of Mind is what we call the 4 documents that every senior should have, and that is a healthcare power of attorney, a financial power of attorney, an advanced healthcare directive, and a living trust. Now, we use these documents actually to help in the long-term care planning, and what we do is, as an attorney, as an elder law attorney, when I'm drafting these, I'm putting in elements with an eye towards that future planning.
Okay.
So, and you're not going to find these elements in documents that you're buying off the internet or that are prepared by an attorney who doesn't practice elder law. So in a very real sense, those 4 pillars support the planning that we do for long-term care. And as a result, well, what we can do is when our clients who we've done the 4 pillars package for come back to us in need of long-term care, we'll deduct the costs that they've already paid for that and apply that to the long-term care planning.
You have a special offer today for people.
Oh, yes. So for viewers of the Morning Blend, if they call in before the end of the month and let us know that they saw us on the show, we will provide a 50% discount of the consultation. So it's ordinarily $250 for an initial consultation, but we'll charge $125. And of course, if they need any legal work, that will be applied to the legal work that we do.
Very fair. Thank you guys both for coming back. It's fun to have you together, both here on the beautiful new white couch.
That's right.
Absolutely.
Good to see you. All right, let Clifford Senior Law help guide you through elder law or long-term care planning. They're located on West Warm Springs at Stephanie. Oh, I know just where that is. You can visit their website or call the number right there on your screen. Clifford Senior Law is a proud sponsor of Las Vegas Morning Blend.